Well, we've got some cold temperatures in place, but skies have cleared and winds were pretty breezy today, but they weren't terribly breezy, not compared to yesterday for sure. Still a few gusts out there over 20 miles per hour. Most of you are in the 30s, but now that we have clear skies, temperatures are going to drop. We'll probably end up around 20 degrees for our overnight low tonight. It's a pretty complicated system that's going to arrive here on Saturday, so I wanted to try to break that down for you. And the one thing I want to let you know is that tomorrow actually looks pretty good. Tonight we'll have temperatures near 20 for our lows. We may have some teens here and there, but the wind chill is certainly going to be into the teens and maybe even single digits in those locations that get a little bit colder. But the winds should continue to diminish. They've been going down for the last 24 hours. They'll continue to drop. And then I think by tomorrow is actually your best day of the next three. It's going to be cold. Temperatures will be into the 30s, but the winds will be calming down, so the wind chill won't be as much of a factor. And let's call it variably cloudy, kind of like it was today. We had parts of the day where we were clouded over, and then we opened up to plenty of sunshine. I think tomorrow's looking pretty similar to that. Circle of lights looks good for tomorrow, but it also looks cold with temperatures likely in the 20s. Let's talk Saturday, because Saturday is a day where it's going to be changing throughout the day. Now, we've changed some things here as far as the timing is concerned. Actually thinking the snow is going to arrive a little bit later, at least the bulk of it. You could get some light snow in the early morning on Saturday. Temperatures will start out cold, and when I say cold, I mean below freezing. So accumulation, even though it may be light, will likely be happening sometime through the morning and about midday. And this should be all snow as it arrives, at least in central Indiana. At some point, the temperatures will start to climb, but snow is going to be likely, and it could be heavy at times, especially in this maybe 3 to 6, maybe 7 time frame. That's when we're expecting the snow to be the heaviest, but it's also when we're going to start to see a little bit of changeover. So there's going to be the most uncertainty at this point because we're going to have the heaviest snow falling. It's also going to be transitioning from snow potentially to rain. And I say potentially there because we've got this little warm nose that's trying to move in and warm the temperatures up. And we know that that's going to happen, but the timing of it could be a little bit difficult. That should happen sometime Saturday night. It should be changing over to a snow or rain mix. Temperatures will actually go above freezing. This particular model has some locations getting into the 40s, and that means there's going to be some melting and compacting of the snow. Watch for slushy travel late Saturday into Saturday night and Sunday, and by Sunday we kind of wrap this all up. So again, I showed you that we do have some snow in the forecast, 2 to 4 inches across Indiana, across Indianapolis, I should say, with some higher amounts to the north. Watch out if you're traveling on Saturday. I'll show you those snowfall totals coming up in just a few. We've also got cold temperatures that stay with us into next week.